Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to make a custom channel on Discord. So to create a custom channel on Discord, what we need to do is go to the left panel, and on the left panel you'll see an icon that says create channel here. Click on that. So when you click on that, a pop-up window will appear. You have different options. You can either create a text in which you can send message, images, or GIFs. You can create a voice where you hang out everyone with voice, video, and screen share. Or you can create a forum for organized discussions. Forums are usually used when structured discussion is needed. Either way, what you'll do is select the channel type. So I'm going to select text, and then you need to type the name. So I'm going to type in my first channel, and then once you've typed in the name to create the channel, click on the create channel button. And here is your first channel, and as I said, you can type any messages on the bottom, add any images, or type any GIFs. So this is how you create custom channels on Discord. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.